What is up guys, Tech Bro Cholo here and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be talking about the new vivo X70. Vivo is back with their X series, which means we have another phone sporting that Zeiss Partnership. And to give you a quick refresher, Zeiss is a German company that makes some of the best camera lenses out there. And Vivo claims that their continued partnership is gonna have photography redefined. Of course, we have the usual T-star coating from Zeiss. This helps get rid of sparkles or ghost images so you have more accurate shots. That's because it's an anti-reflective coating. But that's just the beginning because we have many new features. And to run some camera tests, I got Elle to help me out, so take it away.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elle, and for this part of the video, we will be talking about one of the main highlights of the vivo X70 in collaboration with Zeiss. And that would have to be none other than its stunning camera features. The vivo X70 has a triple camera setup equipped with a 40 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, all housed in a rectangular module, while it has a 32 megapixel punch-hole selfie camera on the front. And so far, I tested out the cameras for a super quick Scarlet Witch cosplay shoot, which was absolutely fun. We took these photos in portrait mode using the Zeiss Distagon style bokeh, and you guys know that Zeiss lenses are known for its high contrast and creamy bokeh. So one thing that really impressed me is how sharp and well detailed the photos turn out to be. The colors look rich and true to life. It has the right amount of processing for it to be sharp enough even when I used a red lightsaber as an additional light source. So you can still see the fine details of my coat and my hand. And I just love how that part didn't turn into one red blob. And the fact that the Distagon style bokeh made it all look so seamless. Because the vivo X70 offers 4 different styles of bokeh from Zeiss, such as biotar, sonar, planar, and the one we used is Distagon. You can find all of these when you're in portrait mode. And aside from the cosplay shoot, I also took some photos in night mode and in ultra wide. And I also used the 40 megapixel camera, which delivered stunning photos even in low light. Now, one thing I have to commend about the cameras on the vivo X70 is that you can basically just stop, take a photo, then go on with your day. You don't really need to hassle yourself just to get one shot. So if you're looking for a phone with a great set of capable cameras that you can use to take photos on the go, then the vivo X70 in collaboration with Zeiss has got you covered. Now let's go back to Tech Bro Cholo for the rest of the review. Bye!
And so the gist is, it has great cameras that take beautiful photos. But some people might be wondering why it has a smaller megapixel count compared to the X60, but that's because of the bigger, new Sony customized IMX766V sensor. This assures you better photos and videos overall. Guys, when it comes to camera photo quality, most of the time it's actually the sensor that's more important more than the megapixels, so try to remember that. Aside from that, we have VIS 5-axis ultra stable video and gimbal 3.0 that make this phone perfect for vlogging since you can get super steady footage. I was really happy with the results. Here's a sample without any stabilization. Now here's one with standard, and the last one is on ultra. Ultra gives a bit of a crop, but you are guaranteed super steady footage even if you're walking, so travel videos and B-roll shot with this will look gorgeous. But now, let's find out how the rest of the phone stacks up. Something I love about Vivo phones is that they have nice, clean, and well-executed designs. We got ours in Aurora Dawn, and it doesn't only look good, but it feels great to hold as well. What you're getting is a silverish blue, and you have a golden hue when light hits it. Definitely a look I'd say matches up with the quality of the cameras. And if you want to protect that, it also comes with a case inside the box. On the right, we have the power button and volume rocker, while below we have the SIM card tray, single firing speaker, and USB-C port. No headphone jack here, but I'm glad they included a USB-C to headphone jack adapter as well as a pair of earphones. both of which have actually become incredibly rare these days. As for the speakers, here's an audio sample, but personally, I would still use headphones. Next up, we have a 6.56-inch AMOLED display, so that means vibrant colors and deep blacks. And not only does it have a full HD plus resolution for watching all your favorite media and shows, but it also has an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate for smooth usage. So I guess you could say that the screen of this phone is as vibrant and sharp as the photos it takes. Now powering this phone is a MediaTek Dimensity 1200, and that's with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. And on paper, this is a pretty good combo, so we ran our usual tests and benchmarks, and surprisingly, the earlier Snapdragon 870 powered vivo X60 seemed to have better numbers save for in Geekbench compute. This is probably because the Snapdragon 870 has a more powerful prime core that runs as high as 3.2 GHz compared to the 3.0 GHz on the Dimensity 1200. Based on my experience though, I had no problems using the phone. There were no issues with performance even when playing games. Because in the end, this is still MediaTek's top-of-the-line processor, with the 6nm process versus the 7nm one on the Snapdragon. I'm just hoping that a future software update will help optimize the Dimensity 1200 a little better. But yeah, it does have a faster clock GPU, which helps bolster its already powerful camera performance. Keeping the phone alive is a bigger 4,400 mAh battery, which lasted nearly 14 hours to get from full to 20%, and charging that is 44-watt flash charge that got it from 20 to 100% in about an hour. And there you have it, my full review on the vivo X70. This is not the first phone they have with the Zeiss Partnership, but it goes to show that this collab is a great one. Aside from having good internals, the photos the camera took were brilliant. And you can tell they've been working really hard to live up to the tagline, the next imagery master. You can grab the vivo X70 for 34,999 pesos. I'll leave the links to that down below. And if you want to check out more reviews, please do check out Unbox PH. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yup, subscribe because we need 250k subs. We're giving away a smartphone, so don't forget to use the hashtag #SubToUnbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get updates when we drop videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.